Exploring the link between bacteria and disease. It is in reference with the chapter Bacteria and their Relation to Pathology from the book The Chronic Miasms, Psora and Pseudopsora by Dr. J.H. Allen. Dr. J.H. Allen says that when the pathological schools of medicine put forward the doctrine of microorganisms, it was thought that the dynamical doctrines of Hahnemann will be nullified. After all, the latter implied that disease is nothing more than the disturbance of the life force. But law, in time, resumes its equilibrium. Unlike fascinations and trends, laws are timeless. The homeopathic remedies cover all the phenomena of diseases, even the microorganisms. This can be explained through life force. When it undergoes any deviation or disturbance, the resultant condition is disease. And we know it from the aphorism number 6 of the Organon of Medicine, 6th edition, that a disease is expressed through the changes in the health of body and mind, which can be morbid phenomena, accidents, symptoms, etc. These phenomena of disease includes the existence of microorganisms. When the deviation in the life principle is restored, there is cure. Thus, the perverted life force resumes its normal and it automatically puts an end to the existence of microorganisms. So, we can understand that their existence is just an expression of the deviation in life force. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.